Hi, I'm Stephen. I look after product development here at Pure Tone Aesthetics. I was asked recently if I could do a short demo showing you how to use the HIFU Treatment Head in dot mode. So this is the Innocera multi-purpose skincare tool. The HIFU Treatment Head is already attached. That is designed to operate between 1.5 mil and 4.5 mil, so it's going to go deep into the SMAS. Great for those sort of fleshy areas. Brilliant at lifting skin, tightening the skin, and improving the overall texture of your skin. It delivers HIFU in two different ways, either in a line, which is particularly effective if you've got very fleshy areas you want to deal with, but it will also deliver them in a line of dots, which is just a bit more focused. Probably better for tightening and improving the quality of the skin rather than just lifting. But both very simple to use. So we start off by powering on the device. Press and hold the button there. We then use the sensor button to adjust the intensity, and we can short press the power button just to switch between the line mode and the dot mode. And there's a small display here that'll show you what mode it's in. It'll also tell you how many shots you've got left in the cartridge, as well as the battery left in there as well. So I've got it into the dot mode. So we start by applying a little bit of the Innocera face-up gel. It's particularly important because it connects the treatment head to your skin, and it ensures the energy is taken from the HIFU treatment head and goes deep into your skin. In addition to that, it's also got a lot of active ingredients in there. So as well as the treatment head lifting and tightening the skin, this has also got ingredients in there that also help to tighten the skin and reduce fine lines and so on, and also even out pigmentation. So it's kind of like a dual action approach. So I'm going to put a small amount on my face. I'm not going to cover the whole face. We'll just put a small amount on the area we're going to work on first, and then we just apply more as we work around the face. Okay, so I'm going to start here. Okay. So what we do is basically place the surface of the HIFU treatment head flat onto the skin. We're not going to move it around, we're not sliding it around, we just place it on in the first position. We then press the shot button, which is this button, and you'll hear the device deliver a line of shots. Once it's completed, we move it across maybe about 2 centimeters and press the button again, and it delivers the shots, and then we will repeat. And again. We're not going to go over the same area twice. We just do one area, then move, then one area, then move. You just want to make sure that you've got that held flat against the skin. And then when I want to move on to the next area, put a little bit more of the gel on. Place the flat surface of the treatment head onto the skin and press the shot button. Move it across about 2 centimeters. And you basically repeat that process till you've completely covered the face, and that's all there is to it. very simple to use, doesn't take too long. We recommend that you do the HIFU treatment probably once every 2 weeks to begin with, maybe for the first 3 months, and then you can reduce that to more of a maintenance mode thereafter, maybe every 3 weeks, or you pick it back up again if you want to see the tightening again. So that's just about everything. If you have any more questions or need any more advice, just let me know. Thank you very much.